everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to Homeschool Voices. Today I have Autumn with me and we are going to open and do MEL Science Kids. So this one is the crystal screen. This is her first subscription. This is a monthly subscription kit from MEL Science, and I just discovered they have these different levels now. It used to just be a chemistry thing. Now this is one for
I got
kids.
a sticker.
You got a sticker. Let's see the sticker. Nice.
It's like a monster.
And crystal screen. This is like, well, I'm gonna check this out. Hang on.
These look like they're from like a restaurant.
I'm just gonna flip through this real quick so they can see what it is. It's funny, Autumn, because they have like a little, what's the word? Comic book, thank you. This is funny. So this is for the age group that's a little younger than the normal MEL Science. Okay. Interesting. There's a whole little story, and then we've got our instructions. And then we have more comics.
There's a map.
Oh my gosh, and there's a map. I think what that map is here, we're going to look at that in a sec. I'm just flipping through this so people can see.
It's got a donut and some sort of thing.
Oh, here it goes. It says, congratulations, you did it. You finished your first mission. Okay, so it's like each time you get a box, it's like a mission, and you have to finish it. And what do you think you do, Marlo?
You stick it on one of the thingies?
Yeah, it says put the sticker from your box in the right location on the Mystery Planet map to mark your achievement.
You can't find the number one spot, Mom.
No, it has a number 1, see?
Yeah, there's no number 1.
Oh, you think you put it...
Yeah,
oh, what it tells you, right here. There's an arrow, see?
Oh.
So when you look here, there's a little arrow, and so that's where you're... oh, I see what you mean. Okay. So this is obviously something we're going to be keeping, this little poster, and then you complete all of your missions. Very fun. Scan me with the app. Right, so you can download the MEL Kids app, which is probably something we'll go ahead and do right now. What do we got in there?
We have some sort of paper thingy. Paper thingy.
More paper thingies.
I don't know if it's glass or plastic, but it's like some sort of circle. And then some sort of other stuff and tape. And then we got wood pieces.
Kinds of stuff.
In a black circle.
All right.
And then weird stuff.
Weird stuff. Downloading MEL Kids.
There we go. Looks like a car.
Fun. I'm waiting. We've got this little dinosaur here. I don't know. It looks like it's almost gonna be...
That's the first dinosaur. He's on he's right here.
He's right there on the cover. They've made this really fun. This is kind of cool.
This bomb thing, like that.
Oh, cool. So you get this screen, and you got the different challenges. So on the very top is the one she has, the crystal screen. Fun. Cool, see? So then you...
Not yet. I probably have to finish the thing first.
Well, do your thing. I'll tell you if it's cool.
This and this.
Oh. It's directions. So neat. It comes with this directions. You can kind of make it smaller or bigger. Wow. It's educational, actually, is what it is. I thought it was instructions. It's an educational thing, but in a very fun way, describing what they're learning with the project. But the project's also just fun in and of itself. Very good job, MEL Science. Very good job. like you just, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's almost like a kaleidoscope, I think. Yeah, you can kind of see it actually. Maybe you But anyway, it's like you turn this around, and based on the pattern that you made, it just looks pretty when you look through it. It's fun. So that's about it. I am super impressed with the MEL Science Kids subscription. It comes with a very fun project, but it's easy to do and it's really good directions. You get this poster with the stickers you put on for each mission that you complete, basically each time you get a mailing. It comes with a great instruction booklet, but it's also a comic strip, and it has some great educational stuff at the end that is easy to understand, and it's not too wordy. And then you get the MEL Kids app that has this really educational video that goes along with each project that you do. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you have anything to tell me in the comments, please do so. If you want to tell me about other subscription kits or your experience with MEL Science, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click subscribe and the notification bell next to it. In the meantime, happy homeschooling and have a great day.